caught the foul out of Mendy, and since he came on, Giovanni Lo Celso, the 21-year-old, has been a breath of fresh air.
He's been brilliant. Set up the goal, but he's just put a bit of energy in that final third. Not afraid to run with the ball. Talking about the performance of Julian Draxler, comparing that to Lo Celso so far is completely different, isn't it?
And he's had a go, hasn't he? Mbappe awaits. Neymar with the curtain. Ooh, there's a little bit of wrestling match in there, and a penalty is given. Mbappe dragged to the ground, and his day's gone from bad to worse. And the young left back saying that he was being held as well, but it's a yellow card for Ferland Mendy. Let's have a look. Who's holding who?
You can clearly see that Mbappe was being held more. When you turn your back on the ball and you're facing the player.
Naive defending, really. In the end, he levered Mbappe to the ground, and it will be Cavani who has the honours from the spot. He's already got 3 this season. Neymar might have wanted it, but it is Cavani.
And he went to his right, didn't he, in the Champions League?
Oh, another one has gone away from him. He's saying it went over the line. Keeper got a hand to it, off the woodwork.
What a save that is, Jonathan. That is a top save from Anthony Lopez.
It was some save to deny Cavani.
It was, wasn't it? As just before the penalty, went to the right-hand side, up against Celtic, and it was a quality penalty from him. I think that's always in the back of your mind as well. Keepers.
Alves. What's going on here? Is he telling him which way to take the penalty, or is he saying, I want the penalty?
I think he's saying, I want the penalty, but Cavani's had the free kicks. I know we said that Anthony Lopez has been quite theatrical in his saves from distance, but you can clearly see that's nowhere near over the line. It's not even in the picture, is it?
How's he got the front to claim that went over the line?
I think when you miss a penalty, decent save from the keeper.
Neymar had a couple of goes from free kicks. Dramatic goalkeeping from Lopez. But there was this consternation. Who's going to take the set pieces at Paris Saint-Germain this season?
I think it's going to be a regular occurrences, and on the ball, puts you in trouble.
Cavani squandered the opportunity. His 4th penalty success of the season went away. And again, I want to take it. No, it's my ball, I'll take it.
I've got a feeling now he's missed. I don't think he'll be taking the next one. But what a save that is. I thought it was a
league highlights programme. That's up next on 1HD. Don't miss that. And watch for Paris Saint-Germain. All competitions this season so strong, not just Neymar. And in the end, they had just enough to beat Lyon. From Adam and myself, hope you enjoyed it. Very good night to you.